Okay guys, today we'll be taking a look at the Specialized Rockhopper 29. It comes with the Suntour XCT coil sprung fork that has 100 millimeters of travel. It also has a 3x8 Shimano drivetrain, and it has an Altus front derailleur and a Shimano Acera rear derailleur. This bike is not stock as it does have some upgrades. It has Troy Lee designed grips that are mounted on stout handlebars. It also has a cell phone holder on the handlebar. It has cabled disc brakes front and rear. This bike comes with red and green colors and is a large frame. The ground control tires are awesome for off-road and gives exceptional grip and traction. It also comes with flak jacket puncture protection, which also helps with flak protection. This bike works great for a trail bike and will serve for most of your needs.